Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail haul for you guys, and this was an amazing Amazon find that I literally recently found, I think yesterday, and it came today. And I literally got these two foil boxes for only $3.99, meaning each of them were just $2. So that is absolutely amazing. Or each of them were $1.99, but I just thought it was an amazing find because just the designer foil box will easily cost you $10. So I definitely had to get my hands on this, and I definitely wanted to share it with you guys right away, just in case it sold out or something. And you guys, I know that you can get it, and it is currently available. So I suggest, if you want those designer foils along with these really pretty floral ones, I definitely recommend you get your hands on them, and they are only $3.99 for these two. So definitely an amazing find that I really wanted to share with you guys. And yeah, I definitely recommend you guys get them. I personally got them for the designer foils because I did purchase them in the past. I don't remember from where, but when I saw it was $3.99, I included that one. I definitely had to get it because it easily goes for $10. So yeah, here I'm just gonna briefly show you the foils, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's nail art haul. I'm really on my grind trying to post as much as I can. I'm thinking of starting to post 5 times a week, or at least 5 videos a week, and then take the rest of the days off once I hit that 5 video mark. So I don't know yet, but I'm just trying to be as consistent as possible because I do go through those stages where I really want to post, and then I go through phases where I don't want to. So right now I'm definitely in a phase where I'm really motivated and encouraged to post. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed. So everything in this video moving forward is from Aliexpress. So here we're starting off with this stamping plate, and this is a Gucci stamping plate that I purchased through Aliexpress. So here I'm just showing you the prints it brings and the designs, and I always think it's great to have stamping plates because you could just use them over and over again, which is the best part. Next we're moving on to some happy face stickers that I purchased through Ali as well, and I thought they were really nice, and I just got 2 of them. Next we are moving on to these dangling charms that I purchased through Ali, and they're so beautiful because they are keys. They're Mickey keys, and I thought they were so pretty for like a Mickey look or whatever. I just thought they're really nice. So it brings brass, silver, and gold, but unfortunately I don't know why it only brought 1 gold one, which I did get the mixed one because I wanted a variety of everything. I really got it for the gold, but it kind of sucks that I only got 1 gold one in it, but that is okay. I really like these dangling charms. I thought they're really pretty and unique. So yeah, I definitely wanted to get my hands on these. So next we're moving on to these stickers, and the reason why I got these because they're really unique. I liked how they are watercolor ones. Like if you don't want to do watercolor design, you just put these stickers on your nails, and they did give me a freebie. They gave me the sticky tabs, so I always like when they give you a little gift. So yeah, this is what that is. It's just a marble design that you can place on the nails if you don't feel like doing it yourself. So I thought that was pretty cool. And this video does mainly have nail art stickers. So here next we're moving on to some more nail art stickers that I did purchase through Ali as well, and these are just outlined rose gold roses, and I thought they were absolutely stunning. And then we're moving on to these, which are also rose gold. If you want to do like a marble look but you don't want to draw, you don't want to do it yourself, you literally just put these on and it'll look like a beautiful marble look. So it is also in rose gold. So next we're moving on to some more nail art stickers, and I believe these are the holiday ones. I did say I wanted to stock up on more holiday edition nail art for when the holidays come around. So here we have white and blue snowflakes, and then we have a variety of just Christmas designs on the other one. So next we're moving on to these kawaii charms that I purchased as well, and they are so cute. I will be showing you guys what they look like individually. Let me know down below in the comments what items you guys liked or item that you like the most in today's nail art haul. I absolutely love creating these for you guys. I see the engagement and I see how much everyone really enjoys them. So thank you for everyone who takes the time to watch my content and enjoy it. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I just thought these kawaii charms were so cute. They're absolutely adorable. I can't wait to do my first kawaii set here on my channel. I don't know why I've never done them. I have a lot of kawaii charms, but yet I haven't done any kawaii sets, so I definitely have to do that. So next we're moving on to some stickers, and these are, I believe, 30 pack and 24 pack. So I did get a freebie as well. I got these designer stickers in silver, and then I'm just going to briefly show you what they include. And I believe this one is a holiday theme one. It is for Halloween. I did say I wanted to stock up on more, you know, holiday type of nail art because I only have like standard and I don't really have Halloween ones either. So when Halloween comes around in October, I want to have enough variety and choices to create some looks for you guys. So here I'm just gonna briefly show you, and then I also got a Christmas themed one and then a random one. So I hope you guys are enjoying this nail art haul so far. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So next we're moving on to some more nail art stickers. I hope I'm not boring you guys with all these nail art stickers. It's just what I picked out of the box, and most of them just were stickers. So here we have these dragons. They're really nice. I never done a look with these, so I don't know, but they're really nice, and I've seen a lot of looks on these, and they look absolutely stunning along with some Halloween nail art. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.